Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, a really beautiful OPPO Find N2 device, N2 Flip device, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this phone. So firstly, open control panel. In the control panel, you need to disable all unnecessary running services. For example, if you are using Wi-Fi right now but not using mobile data, just disable mobile data. If you are not using mobile data, if you are using mobile data but not using Wi-Fi, just disable the Wi-Fi. The same situation with Bluetooth, location services, and nearby share, NFC. So nearby share too. Here we have nearby share. You need to disable. Disable. So edit tiles. So in my case, all unnecessary services are disabled. Then open settings. Open settings and find display brightness here, and choose dark mode. Because you have LED screen on your device, LED screen created from thousands of micro LED LED lamps, and in this way only parts of your screen that showing information right now on these parts are enabled. Okay, so for example, in these dark places my screen is disabled and not draining my battery, so I suggest you use dark mode, because in dark mode many applications using dark mode too. As you can see dark mode, I have dark mode everywhere, even in Chrome browser, even in messages, even in phone app, in settings, even in Google Meet. So, and all applications are using dark mode, and in the dark mode our device is live longer from one charging. Great. The next step is to open battery settings, and here you will see battery saving mode, power saving mode. Here you have power saving mode. Enable it to reduce your processor performance to 70%, and in this way you will your phone will live longer from one charging. And you can enable super power saving mode. In this mode your device will live over 2 days from one charging. So you can add 3 new applications here, but I suggest you not to do it because it's making your super power saving modes useless. But if you need only phone application and messages maybe, so in this way you can really extend your battery life. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.